Hello and welcome to St. Joseph online classes. Today we'll start class 8 geography, chapter 1 resources. The things we use and they are useful for us, and sometimes they need our basic needs, they satisfy our basic needs. Then we can say they are the resources. As our definition, we can say that if any object and substance is usable, profitable and beneficial for us in one or many ways, in one and other ways, so then they become resources. For example, air, we need air to breathe. Water, we need water in one or another way in our household works, and so many other purposes are there for the using of the water. So these are the resources. So according to this definition, we can say there are two main features of resources. First is usability. Usability, and the second feature we can say that the value. What are the usability? It means the utility. If we utilize the things, they are useful for us, then they are the resources. Like air is useful for us, water, and so many other things like the trees, vegetables, and the books, notebooks, pen, pencil, these all the things are the useful for us. So we can say they are the resources. Along with this usability, they should be valuable. They should have worth. They should have worth. It means if they are valuable, for example, if water is there, yes, water is valuable for us. This is precious for us, because without water, we can't imagine our life. So it is very valuable. Trees also valuable in one or many ways. We are getting fruits, vegetables, grains, and so many other things. So they are having their value. So these substances are clearly called resources. It means value. Value may be the economic value, economically, and may be aesthetic value. Economic value, I want to clear what is economically it is valuable, what is the aesthetic value of the resources. Economically, if we are using water at house, they are not economically, but if we want to generate electricity with the water, hydroelectric powers, they are using water, it means there the water is using as economic value. In the same manner, trees are also having their economic value as well as their aesthetic value also, because they add beauty. If the things add beauty in the nature, they are having aesthetic value also. The topics are clear that what is substance, what are the examples of the substance, air, water, land, soil, minerals, metals, so many objects are there. These are the resources, and these two main features of the resources are usability, means utility, second is value, means worth. What is the worth of the thing? It depends on the things. Now the main topic is how does a substance become resources? There is a question. How does a substance become a resource? There are two main factors for this: time and technology. These two main factors are there for making a simple thing as the resource. So time and technology are the important factor to make the thing as the resources. When we want to convert the thing into resource, it takes time and technology also. Here we can take example of the wheel. When the wheel was invented, it was not so much valuable for the people. They were not aware about the importance of the wheel, but now these days wheel is very important for as the resources for our transportation. In each and every transportation we are using wheel. So we can say discovery of wheel. Discovery of wheel is the example of for this technology. So the time and technology is very important. Next, the main topic is the types of resources. So there are basically three types of resources. One is natural resources. There may be questions, there may be the definition in your book or maybe in your exams also, that how many types of resources, explain them. Only one definition only can be asked there, like natural resources. What is the natural resources? Natural resources means if the resources are directly obtained from nature. Directly obtained from nature without much modifications. For example, sun, water also, air, land, so many other, they are the natural resources. So this is the one topic. Type of resources. Natural resources is the first type, when we are getting the resources from the nature directly without much modification. Like sun, we are getting sunlight, so directly we are getting sunlight from the sun. It is an example of the natural resources. Next, second is human made resources. Second is human made resources. Human made resources means when the resources are created from natural substance by human being. When the resources are created by the human beings, it means these resources are the human made resources. Human made resources require high technology and skill and knowledge, so the educated people can do this work. So the high technology is important. As we before read that the high technology is the factor. Here we write the technology is the main factor of the converting a simple resource in the resource. So this is the human made resources. We can give example also, like roads. Roads are created by, they are made by men. Railways and buildings, yes, buildings, bridges. So many other buildings and bridges, and these are all made by the humans, so they are called the human made resources. Two topic we clear under this main topic, types of resources. There are one natural resource, second is the human made resource, and the third and the most important is the human resource, not human made but human resources. Human resources, when the resources are we are also important resource, we are the resource. It means human resources refers the numbers as well as physical and mental ability of human being. It means if the people are educated, they are mentally fit, they are physically fit, they are educated, they are skilled, then we can say the country has a good human resource. So human resource is very important, because only human resource can convert the resources into a, well, technically they can use it, so that it is very important. They need the high technology. We can take an example, a good example of Africa, as Africa is a hub of the natural resources, but these resources are not being used because of the lack of the technology and the skill. So that's why we can say that the technology, skill, knowledge is very important. In India also we can take an example of the uranium deposits in Ladakh. This is also the example of the human resources. So this is the resources, three type: natural, human made and the human resources. Now the topic is complete. And now the next topic, the main topic is the division of the resources, but we will take it in the next session, division. After that, the conservation, two main topics we will include in our next session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.